Hi guys, here's the update for the build. So I started already cutting the torque boxes off, and there was also some rust in the frame rail. So I decided to put this one in here, and I'm ready to weld that in. After that, the floor extension and the torque boxes. And now it's welded. Just remember to use some air to cool it down. Between the welds. So next is the floor support. And now that's welded on place. I also found some rust here on the inner rocker, so I have to make a piece here before I put this torque box in. I decided to split it. It was welded together, but it is impossible to get it installed in one piece. So small pads in there, and after that I will put the outer one in, or maybe I will put the inner rocker reinforcement from the convertible, but we'll see. Yeah, but I'm quite happy about this one. It went quite well. Wasn't so bad to do it.